मेरी जिंदगी की असल लड़ाई अभी बाकी है। मैं हारा नहीं हूँ, मेरे इरादों का असल इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है। मेरी जिंदगी की असल लड़ाई अभी बाकी है। मैं हारा नहीं हूँ, मेरे इरादों का असल इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है। और अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर ज़मीं मैंने, और अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर ज़मीं मैंने, आगे अभी सारा आसमान बाकी है। All compliments to Almighty Allah, who is the King of Kings and Creator of Creators, who flawless, kind and forgiver and most merciful. Alhamdulillah, Ashhadu la ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. My honorable teacher, respectable leader and all dear educated fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand in front of you to deliver, speak on readers are the leaders. Not all readers are leaders, but my dear friends, all leaders are leaders. If you want to become leader, then you should read books that you inspire and knowledge you. Then you can start to truly lead your life. My dear friend, every successful leader faces many difficulties, problems, pains, troubles in his life to achieve high status, to become successful leader. Why? Because they know very well without pain, success is just a dream. My dear friend, life is full of problems, pains, troubles, and challenges. Every morning of life brings a lot of challenges in everyone's life, and every evening of life give a new experience. If you want to become something in your life, then never be afraid when life challenges you. Try to face your challenges. Don't give up. Keep trying. My dear friend, success is 1% is luck, 2% is talent, 20% is focus, and 27% is never giving up. No matter how many times you fail, don't worry about your mistakes. Mistakes happen from everyone. Everyone makes mistakes. Try to improve it. Learn from your mistakes. The first step to success is efforts. कोशिश से गलती, गलती से सबक, सबक से तजुर्बा और तजुर्बे से कामयाबी हासिल होती है. My dear friend, you can take example of the Thomas Edison. Everyone know him very well. You know what? How many times Thomas Edison? How many times Thomas Edison failed when he invented the bulb in his life? 10,000 times Thomas Edison failed in his life when he invented the bulb. But he tried again and again, and he never gave up. He said that I have not failed. I have just find 10,000 way that won't work. My dear friend, and he also said that our greatest weakness is giving up. The certain way to success is always to try just one more and just one time more. My dear friends, finish your fear, admit your mistakes, kick your excuses, kill your distraction, kill your opportunities, marry your goals, and try to complete your dreams into reality. My dear friends, you know what is our big mistake? Our big mistake is that we can never ever get success in our life. Why? Because that my grandpa is poor, my father is poor, then I will also be a poor. No, it's wrong, absolutely wrong. Success does not kiss anyone feet by looking his status or face. It's just hard working. You can take example of our great leader Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He studied in dark with a candle. Why? Because he want to become a leader. You study in dark with the candle. Why? Because you know very well कि ख्वाहिश में नहीं गिरते फल झोली में मेरे दोस्त. वक्त की शाख को हिलाना होगा और कुछ भी नहीं होगा अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से. That's why you study in dark. कि कुछ भी नहीं होगा अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से. अपने हिस्से का दिया खुद ही जलाना होगा. My dear friend, reading is a powerful weapon that can make us a great leader. It is our time to read something. It is our time to learn something. It is our time to do something. It is our time to become something. Remember that readers will become leaders. My dear friend, leadership demands three things. First, hard working. Never believe in luck. believe in hard working. Number two, self-confidence. Number two, self-confidence. Nothing is tough, nothing is impossible. You can do anything, just believe in yourself. Number three, and most important, hope. If you lose hope, means you lose the battle. दुआ करो मेरे दोस्त के सलामत रहे मेरी हिम्मत, दुआ करो मेरे दोस्त के सलामत रहे मेरी हिम्मत, ये एक चिराग कई आंखों पे धारी है. My dear friend, let me know what is the importance of hope in success. My dear friend, in the race between deer and tiger, the running speed of deer is 90 km per hour, while tiger speed is 60 km per hour. Then how tiger hunt deer? There is fear in deer's mind who think that I am slower than tiger, but actually he is not. He is faster than tiger, but he thinks that I am slower than tiger. He lost his hope. That's why he lost the battle of life. My dear friend, in the end of speech, I want to say that if you want to become a leader in your life, then remember that leaders will become leaders. Nothing is not tough, nothing is impossible. If you come to do it, no matter how many times you fail, keep trying, try again and again, and say to yourself, it is not over until I will. My dear friend, ढूंढनी है तो अपनी खूबियां ढूंढ, खामियां ढूंढने के लिए लोग हैं, रखना है कदम तो आगे रख, पीछे खींचने के लिए लोग हैं, देखने हैं सपने तो ऊंचे दे, नीचा दिखाने के लिए लोग हैं. अगर तू अपनी अलग पहचान बनाए इस दुनिया में, भीड़ में चलने के लिए लोग हैं, और कुछ करना है तो करके दिखा इस दुनिया को, तालियां बजाने के लिए लोग हैं.